с вами кататься на эйрботах по Everglades реке, просторам Everglades.
So guys, while we're waiting to get up right next to this guy, now's a really good time to put the earplugs in and hold on to anything that can fly away like hats. Hold on to them or turn them around backwards so you don't lose them when we're going fast. Because right after we pass this guy, we're going to take off. Now if anybody gets the urge to try to pet this guy, keep in mind you only get 2 tries, 1 with each hand. And then you're going back to the dock with no hands, and a new nickname Nubby, so you're not going to want to try anymore.
Oh my god, it's interesting.
Any questions?
No. Крокодильчик попал. Hello,
bone comes together with a
baby.
little blood vessel underneath it, and it works just like a solar panel. Because they are cold-blooded, and they speak to
Hello,
the sun, it cools their
baby.
body and gives them energy. If they can't maintain a body temperature of 84 degrees Fahrenheit, the scars all over that alligator's head and back, that's from fights it's been in. Watch your step, guys. Right around the dock and the grass sheet heading this way for your show. Yep, glad you guys had fun. Next row, go ahead and last next row. Thank you very much, man. Appreciate it. Glad you guys had a good time. Watch your step. There you go. Next row and last row. You guys can go ahead and make your way out. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you all. Appreciate that. Glad you guys had a good time.
All right, now the federal government's in charge of this flow. When you put humans in charge of Mother Nature, you get, right? So we are already in dire straits, then we had a hurricane, Mother Nature laughing at us. Now we have catastrophic damages out here. So to somebody that doesn't really know what to look at, it looks normal, looks fine, but the reality is the water levels are so high out here, this is not sustainable for life in the river of grass. This river is 100 miles long, 60 miles wide, should be this deep. Remember the hardwood hammocks you just saw? This is refuge, food, shelter for mammals like wild hog and deer and Florida panther and black bear. They need to get from one island to the other, and they certainly will walk through the water this deep. They're not swimming through it. Would you? Why not? It's beautiful. Just don't do it at nighttime, right? Daytime, all day. Just don't do it at night. Don't jump in any freshwater lake at nighttime in Florida. You're not coming out. There's a million alligators. That's another thing about here. When the water level raises up, all these alligators end up in people's backyards, right? There's a million of them in Florida. Plus, all the animals like the birds that are out there hunting in knee-deep water will fly somewhere else that, neck-deep water is not going to be appropriate for them. But 14 color varieties, I'm not a snake breeder, I'm an educator. My days are spent in schools. But bringing a bunch of different colored snakes out gets the attention of the kids. Now it's time to educate. Look, they come in many beautiful colors. We come in many beautiful colors. Colors of the world is the beauty of the world. A lot of people just can't get past the creepiness of the snake to enjoy that beautiful color, right? My mother included. Any mothers here? Yeah. When I was a kid, this is all I wanted. My mother told me. Anyway, does this look like a dinosaur? Not really, right? No. So scientists say when dinosaurs went extinct, then comes the bird. Somehow feathers turned into scales. I don't know. Doesn't look like it to me, and I'm not a scientist. I'm a behavior dude. But go to a zoo and look at an ostrich. Tell me that doesn't look like a dinosaur. His feet look like T-Rex, the way they walk, kind of like the dinosaurs did. Remember the dinosaur Velociraptor? This is a raptor right here. Red-shouldered hawk, the most common raptor in the Everglades. So raptor means to grab and take away. Any bird that catches their food with their feet, then flies off with it, that's a raptor. Eagle, hawk, falcon, owl, osprey, kite. Most raptors you can see 1, 2, 3. Never mind the blood in her feet, she just ate full crop, sorry. Yes. It's a little vicious, yeah. But the bottom line is she can squeeze about as hard as I can squeeze. I'd like to say she is now an adult, she's 1 year old. She's 1, she's an adult. Last year's when I got her, she didn't look like this. Light chest, dark bars, brown on the back, camouflage. The tail feathers are actually an inch longer, so are the primary feathers in the first year. Now she has got adult plumage. She is now an adult. Once they get through their first year, their chances of survival get a lot better. Open the throat, swallow the food. If you take a look at his teeth in there, there's no molars. He does not chew his food. He grabs hold by using tactile location. That was cute. You know, tactile location. That was quick, but that was cute. That was just cute. As far as tactile location in the Everglades, not very glorious, but wood storks have the fastest in the animal kingdom. And if you ever watch or listen to a wood stork eat, it's like, brah, brah, brah. This is quick. Yes. This is power. 1,000 pounds per square inch. That's some serious stuff right there. Your turn. It's free. No?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. You sure? Okay, let me see. Hello. Say goodbye to your phone. Here you go. It's getting poopy. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Are you crazy? Good Lord.
I want to die.
I only got so many fingers. If something happens to me, it's your fault. That was weak. It's your fault, man. It's your fault. I tried. Look right on top of his head. Straight line. So the nostrils are here. Eyes, that slit is the ear flap. Coming. Just like him, he can see me coming. You're not sneaking up on him. Hi. Hello. I know. Small brain, big mouth. Sound familiar? I know. It's a bad combination. Yeah, you laughed at that joke, didn't you? The purpose is simple, which is to balance his blind spot he's got. If that was a crocodile, he'd have been on top of me already. If that was a crocodile, he'd be right next to me. Throwing it in. Crocodile, alligator, caiman. 23 species of crocodilian all close their mouth the same. Bottom jaw. Watch it. Applause for the alligator.
Go home. Go home.
Applause for the alligator.
Вот здесь нам показывали шоу. Мне понравилось. Так здорово. Парень это все проводил. Там сидели в тенечке. Замечательно. Мамочка, мы здесь с тобой как-то были. Помнишь, мы с тобой здесь были? Ой, наверное, 13 лет назад, а может быть и попозже, и пораньше. Мам, вот это с другой стороны для тебя снимаю, чтобы ты вспомнила. Помнишь, мы там сидели на 2-м или на 3-м ряду, это я помню. Чем отличается аллигатор от крокодила? Напишите, пожалуйста. Мне, как отличается внешний аллигатор от крокодила. Вот оттуда у нас тур был. А сейчас мы в магазинчик войдем, посмотрим, что тут есть. Крокодилы. Курочка в магазинчике ходит. Хо-хо-хо. $7,99 сапожок такой. Ну, я, конечно, что-нибудь, какую-нибудь мелочь обязательно куплю на память. $13 стоит вот такие вот зубик такой. А здесь можно билеты купить на Airboats. Такой дядечка сидит. Вот здесь мы были. У кого багажник? Хороший багажник. А что за вен? Группы приезжают, автобусы приезжают. В общем, все очень интересно. Хорошие